In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to a PowerPoint presentation for dummies. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or just looking to enhance your presentation skills, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate links that can navigate your audience to external websites, internal slides, or even specific documents. It's an invaluable tool to help you keep your presentations interactive and engaging. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the software installed and ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. If you don't have a presentation yet, you might want to create a new one or open an existing document that you wish to edit. Now within your presentation, decide which text, image or shape you want to convert into a hyperlink. Think about the elements in your presentation that would benefit from additional information or a direct connection to external content. This could be a company logo linking to a website, an image connected to more detailed information, or simply a phrase that directs the viewer to further reading. Once you've identified what you'd like to hyperlink, head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this along the top menu of PowerPoint, nestled among other options like Home and Design. The Insert tab is your gateway to embedding all sorts of multimedia and links. Next, within the Insert tab, look for the option labelled Link. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll see the Insert Link option. Selecting Insert Link will pull up a dialog box, allowing you to specify the exact URL or file path you wish to link to your chosen element. In the Insert Link dialog box, you'll see a field where you can type in the address you want your hyperlink to direct to. This could be a website URL, a local file on your computer, or even a specific slide within your presentation. Double check the address to ensure it's accurate. A broken link can disrupt your presentation's flow and confuse your audience. After typing in the correct link, the final step is to click OK. By doing so, your hyperlink will be successfully created and activated within your presentation. You can test it immediately by entering presentation mode and clicking on the linked element to make sure everything is working as expected. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add hyperlinks to your PowerPoint presentation. By following these steps, you'll enrich your presentation with dynamic content and provide your audience a seamless experience navigating through your work. Don't hesitate to experiment with various hyperlinks to see how it can elevate the interactivity of your presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy presenting,